Hi guys, so today we are going to be looking at another concept. We said it's you to find something that works for you and stick with it, backtest, ensure you backtest, ensure that you have the statistics about that strategy, and then use it. Whichever is good for you, have it. But do not mix concepts, just have something that works. Look for a strategy, then stick with it. Do not keep moving from this strategy to this other strategy and then combining so many things. If it is this, combine this, use this, the concept of this strategy alone. Don't combine a lot of things. So I want to simplify things. I don't know if you're okay with it. I want to make it simple. It's BTMM. I don't know if you have come across that concept. If you're in TradingView, this is the indicator we are using. Market Maker Matrix by Jasmine, that one. So these are the components of this strategy. We have the 5 EMA and the 13. These are the signal EMA. They cross. When they cross, they give us a buy or sell signal. And then we have the 50 EMA and the 200. I'm going to use it black because my canvas is white. So we have the 50 and the 200. I'm using the 15 minutes. We have the 50 and the 200. We have the 800 and the 32. I don't use it. I don't think it's necessary. So we have the days of the week here. And you come, the only thing I want to set up is this one. The others, there's something else. These ones are the previous day high and low, which are very important, and I'm going to tell you how we are going to use them. I would prefer black for it to be visible to you. Let's use black. For weekly high and low, I want us to use, which one would you prefer? Use this. Is it visible enough? I don't think we have set up the previous day low. So we come back here and we set up, oh, don't have not set up this one. So we have not set this up. Hi. So the BTMM, you see, we were talking about the Asian session, and I said I will take 20 to 2, but the BTMM takes the first 8 hours. So the first 8 hours, our time starts from 18 and it ends at 1. So they take the first 8 hours of the day. So one thing that I want to talk about, I don't know if there is a way I can be able to have a bear chart. Let's see. I want a place I can draw. Okay. I think this place will be visible enough. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. So we have the Asian session here. After the Asian session, so this is the Asian session, accumulation, and then we manipulate, and then we distribute. So most of the time, The market accumulates during the Asia session, and then we break up or down. At this time we broke up, and then we started distributing, right? So during the Asia we accumulate, and then we manipulate during London, and then we distribute. So this is what happened here. So at this time, what is happening, we need the Asian session, and then we have the manipulation, and then we have the distribution. You remember this strategy, we were talking about it, and we said like this is the strategy that you can start with and stick with it forever. So with this strategy, I'm going to teach you some few things that can help you. So for direction, we start with we have this is the 13, this is the 5, the yellow EMA is the 5, the 13 EMA is the red. So this is what the market starts doing. We have the 5 and the 13 crossing. After they cross, that is a signal to buy, but we are not buying. Why? Because our markets are still bearish. These are the higher EMA. We have the 5 and the 13 beginning of. We have a signal here to buy. The signal, we don't buy there. That was a signal to buy higher. So the next level we are waiting for is for the 13 and the 50 to cross. This is the 50, the blue line, and the red line is 13. We have the 50 and the 13 crossing. When the 50 and the 13 cross, we want a retest of the 50 we want the market to retest 50, and then we continue going up, right? So we have said, if you're writing somewhere, I want you to write, we have the signal EMA, which is 5 and 13. They cross, they give us a signal to buy, but we don't buy there. Then we have the 50 and the 13 cross, right? Are we together up to there? The 50 and the 13 cross. When these two cross, the 50 and the 13, then we wait for a retrace to the 50, and then we buy. Okay? The next level we will be having is the 50 to cross the 200. Okay? Are we together up to there? The 50 to cross the 200. And then we have a retest of the 200. We buy. Okay? So those are the EMA that will be guiding us. We also have the EMA 800, which is this purple here. This purple here, if we are above it, we consider the trend to be, if we are above it, we consider the trend to be bullish. If we are below it, we consider it to be bearish. But the two trades that you are going to be taking is 50 and 13 cross, a retest of the 50, you buy. The 50 and the 200 cross, a retest of the 200, you buy. I've just simplified it. I've just said it in a simple way. So, whatever I was talking about, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, we talked about it and we said that it does not happen each and every day. The Asian session accumulate, and then the London manipulate, and then New York distribute. It does not happen every day, but when it happens, it is perfect. So you're going to use this in you're going to use that concept with the help of these EMAs. The EMAs are going to be showing you what the trends are going to be indicating to you, the trend we are in. Because if you have said the 13, when the 13 cross the 50, we just wait for a retest back to the 50 EMA, and then we sell, right? So that is what, if we are selling. And if the 13 crosses the 50, we wait a retest of the 50, and then we buy if we are buying. So let's see here what happened. So here my EMAs are the 13. We know the 13 is the red, and the 50 is the blue. Higher. Here can we start? We can start here so that it's, let me remove these drawings so that it's not stories. So yesterday, this is what happened. We have the 13 and the 50 crossed. So what are we waiting? We are waiting for the market to retest the 50 and then we buy. So at this point, we also have the Asian session. Asian session is over, and then we have accumulation, and then we manipulate, and then we distribute. We'll continue distribution. So let's get there. Let's stop there because this video will be too long and I'll not be able to finish some things. So that's how we do it. We have the Asian session. So at this point, we had the 13 and the 50 crossing, the retest to the 50, and then we go. And during that retest, we have the Asian session, which was accumulation, and then we had the manipulation, and we distributed up. So that's it. I will create another video to explain about the high and previous day high and low, previous week high and low, and previous month high and low, and how we use them, because they can be a strategy by themselves and they are so perfect too. So thank you for watching, and I'll create another video to continue with this series.